always focus on what the question is asking. If you interpret this question as which of the following is a feature of federalism, then you'll be in trouble. Because the question is which of the following is not a feature of federalism. Let's look at these statements. There is an independent judiciary in India. This is indeed a feature of federalism. Because if there would not be an independent judiciary, then how would it be able to resolve the disputes that may occur between the two levels of the government in an impartial manner? Second, powers have been clearly divided between the center and the states. This is also a feature of federalism. In fact, this is the chief characteristic of any federal polity. The federating units have been given unequal representation in the Rajya Sabha. So now, this is not an essential feature of federalism. In India, Rajya Sabha states have been given unequal representation. Whether states should have equal representation like USA in Council of States or unequal representation in Council of States is not an essential feature of federalism, but in case of India, it is indeed a feature of our federalism. So you have to notice this as well. Question is not which of the following is not a feature of federalism. It is a question about which of the following is not a feature of Indian federalism. It's about Indian federalism, not federalism in general. The fourth is it is the result of an agreement among the federating units. This we know is definitely incorrect. Because when we read Article 1 of the Indian Constitution, we come across the fact that India is a union of states. India is not a federation of states, which means that India has not been formed as a result of an agreement between the states. Rather, this political sovereignty of India was divided between the union and the states according to the Indian Constitution. That also tells us a very important fact for questions like these, that UPSC is not just trying to check you on basic concept of federalism itself, but also trying to judge your understanding of various other concepts that you may have read in different parts of the syllabus.